Hey guys, what's up? Spenny here. So bringing you another penny stock video. I'll be covering two penny stocks right now. Both of these have massive upside, and one of them is actually a WallStreetBets classic. It's a little bit out of style now. However, fundamentally speaking, this company has never been in a better environment. So I'll be getting into that in just a second. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to drop it a big thumbs up if you find it informative, and feel free to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this. I do try to find great opportunities in the market for you guys. Obviously right now, the market is acting very sketchy. Tech stocks are extremely volatile. Luckily for you, neither of these penny stocks are in the tech industry. And like I said, they're actually in an industry that is fundamentally really strong right now. So let's get straight to the first stock. So the first stock I have for you guys is Castor Maritime. Ticker symbol is CTRM. Now this is a shipping stock. Before I get into that, let me just show you a little bit of the price action. So right now it is trading at $1. It's a very, very small micro cap company. It has a low of 11 cents and a high of $1.95 in the past 52 weeks. Right now, we're right in between that. We're at $1, and I think this is a good time to start looking at this stock seriously. And that's because the environment it's in right now is really good for the industry. So, getting into that, CTRM is a shipper of dry bulk goods. It owns a large fleet of shipping vessels to ship everything from wheat and corn to coal and iron. On Friday, the Baltic Exchange Dry Index, which tracks the rates that shippers like CTRM receive, hit a surge of 1829. Essentially, if you aren't familiar with this industry, the dry bulk shipping stocks are making really good money right now. And actually most shipping stocks in general, all the container shipping stocks essentially are just in their absolute prime right now, and there's several reasons for that. I have covered it in a recent video, another stock I really like that's in the shipping space. However, focusing on this one right now and in the dry bulk goods, the Baltic Dry Index right now, you can see it is propped up in this range. They are going to make a lot of money. That is one reason that it is doing really well. Another reason why I really like it is because the supply chain disruption, guys. So the main reason why these shipping stocks are becoming so popular is because COVID has destroyed our supply chains around the world. And this is causing a big bottleneck around ports all around the world. So this is driving up demand. Meanwhile, supply is seriously hindered. So, it works off of the supply versus demand. More demand, less supply, prices go up. It's really that simple. Another reason why I actually think dry bulk shipping stocks are going to do really good for quite a while, because this is a cyclical market. It's kind of like oil and gas. You get in, you get out. You don't hold it forever. So you got to kind of time it. And you got to look at the environment and kind of figure that out. A few reasons why I think it actually could continue for a while longer. One is because the infrastructure spending bill. So if you live in the United States, you probably know Biden plans on passing a massive infrastructure bill. And this is all over the news. But the reason why it's going to benefit a stock like this is because they're going to need a lot of different supplies. They're going to need all those dry bulk commodities that the stock has to ship in by freight. And this is going to make a lot more demand. Meanwhile, supply chains aren't expected to get normalized towards the end of the year. So I think you have lots of time in the stock. I would say the cyclical peak for this is probably the end of the year, maybe sometime in 2022. Don't push it to the very end. If you make a nice profit on a stock like this, don't be scared to trim away. That's what I plan on doing. I'm not in this stock particular. I'm in Zim shipping stock. Zim is another one I covered in a previous video. I really like it. Again, my plan with that stock is to trim as it goes up. It's not a stock I'm going to hold forever. Anyways, guys, that's the first stock for you. The second one, I think you're going to like this one as well. It's Cypress Development Corp. And this one is involved in lithium. So this is obviously going to play an important part in the future. So Cypress Development Corp is a large lithium resource in Nevada. Two ticker symbols for this. It trades in Canada, also trades on the OTC. So the Canada ticker symbol is CYP, OTC is CYDVF. Now, this company is focused in developing the company's 100% owned Clayton Valley Lithium project in Nevada, USA. The size of the resource makes the Clayton Valley project a premier source that has the potential to impact the supply of lithium for the fast-growing global energy storage battery market. Now, usually I like copper over lithium. I think copper is going to be more needed in the EV revolution. However, I think it's important that the United States gets their lithium domestically. They're not going to want to have everything imported into them. And I think that this one in particular is going to be a key player in it. I have some insider information from some people that recommended this stock to me. Not personally invested in it. They didn't go into detail why they think this one is going to do really well. So I can't speak on that. But they were saying, watch this one. So I can't go in any more details on that, guys. However, if you are looking for a lithium play, maybe this one's worth adding to your radar. Research it in depth before obviously initializing a position into it. So yeah, guys, anyways, if you're looking for a domestically located lithium stock, I think this is a really good one. I'm going to be watching it closely. I haven't done a ton of research into lithium. I did most of my research into copper. I did invest into a copper stock. It 5x'd. I exited it. Now I'm looking at lithium. This is just on my radar right now. I have to do a lot more research into it. If I find any more details that I think are important for you guys, I'll make another video on it. And comment down below if you guys know of any great lithium stocks. I'm currently doing research in this sector, so I'd love to get more ideas. Right now, this is my number one pick. Not yet invested into it. I like to do a lot of research before I go into a stock like this, or any stock for that matter. Anyways, guys, these are the two stocks I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this content. Thanks for watching till then. I'll see you guys on the next video.